Hello everyone, welcome to Learner's Point. In this video you will watch Essay on Addressing Crime Against Women, a call for justice and protection. So let's begin. Introduction. Crime against women remain a pervasive issue globally, threatening the safety, dignity and rights of half the population. Thousands of girls are being victims of this social devil on daily basis. There are many violence against women in India because of the male-dominated society here. Women generally face various kinds of crime, from domestic violence to sexual harassment, rape, trafficking, dowry death, cheating, murder, girl child abuse, robbery, and honor crimes. Women are subjected to various forms of abuse. Root causes of gender-based violence. The root causes of such violence are often deeply embedded in patriarchal norms, gender inequality, and discriminatory legal and social frameworks. As UN Women states, violence against women is a manifestation of historically unequal power relations between men and women. Barriers to justice. Despite advancement in women's rights, justice remains elusive for many victims. Legal systems in some countries are inadequate or fail to provide timely support, leaving women vulnerable. Social stigmas deter many victims from speaking up. In the words of activist Malala Yousafzai, we cannot all succeed when half of us are held back. Solutions for a safer future. To combat this issue, government and societies must prioritize legal reforms, establish swift judicial process, and ensure law enforcement is sensitized to female victims' needs. Public awareness campaigns must challenge harmful gender stereotypes, as Nelson Mandela famously said that education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. How to fight against women's crime. Tips for youth to stop violence. Speak up immediately if someone does something wrong the first time. Speak out. Violence against women is pervasive, but it's not invitable unless we stay silent. Tell someone. If you are the victim or are witness to violence, tell someone. Never accept wrong. Take all violence and abuse seriously. Take a stand. Be an individual. Take back the power. Know the issue and the signs. Call out sexual harassment. Challenge beliefs on masculinity. Fund women organizations. Call for better response and services. Demand more data. Push for stronger laws. Remember that putting others down does not raise you up. Conclusion. Empowering women through education and leadership roles is crucial. Preventing crime against women requires legal, social, and cultural changes to achieve true gender equality and justice for all. If the video is useful for you, then please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.